This kabocha and beef stir fry with Thai basil is based on a vegetarian side dish we had in Thailand, but the addition of meat brings it from the side dish arena into the entree one. But it allows you to add less meat and more vegetable into an entree. In this dish, we're using the Knorr liquid concentrated beef stock. Lightly season the sliced beef with salt. Heat a wok over high heat and add 2 tablespoons of the vegetable oil. When oil is hot, stir fry the beef in the wok until well seared. If you need, do it in batches. Remove from the wok and set aside. Add a little bit more oil into the wok and then add in the garlic, the shallots, the ginger and the lemongrass and stir fry for about 30 seconds until fragrant. Now you're ready to add in your kabocha and stir together. Adjust the heat to medium-low. Add in the palm sugar, the mushroom soy sauce and the Knorr liquid concentrated beef base. Partially cover and simmer for about 15 minutes or just until the kabocha is soft and tender. At this point, add the beef back in, add the bird's eye chili and the Thai basil, and cook just until well combined and beef is reheated. Finish the dish by squeezing fresh lime juice over and serve. So here is our kabocha and beef stir fried with Thai basil, made with Knorr liquid concentrated beef stock.